Marjan Island is quickly becoming one of the UAE's premier lifestyle and investment hubs. Positioned at the island's tip, Gianfranco Ferre residences enjoy a sunset-facing orientation, ensuring spectacular evening vistas over the Arabian Gulf. This prime spot lies close to the upcoming Wynn Resort and a variety of waterfront restaurants and leisure venues, making it a true hotspot for both residents and investors. Last year, Ras Al Khaimah saw tourism jump by 12%, which means rental demand is on the rise. Off-plan property prices also climbed 15 to 20%, pointing to healthy returns and solid rental yields. With its unbeatable location and fully branded full-service lifestyle, Gianfranco Ferre Residences is in the perfect spot to capitalize on this momentum. The signature U-shaped configuration maximizes panoramic sea views from nearly every angle. Floor-to-ceiling glazing blurs the line between indoor and outdoor, bathing interiors in natural light and reinforcing the strong connection to the water. Imagine walking into your new home, whether it's a cozy studio or a spacious three-bedroom, and finding everything ready for you. These residences come fully furnished with Italian-crafted pieces from the latest Gianfranco Ferre home collection. Think serene color palettes, custom finishes, and top-of-the-line appliances already in place. It really is turnkey living. Just unpack your suitcase and dive straight into that effortless coastal lifestyle. Start your day with a calming yoga session in a sunlit nook before heading to the rooftop techno gym, where separate fitness studios for him and for her ensure focused, tailored workouts against a backdrop of endless sea views. Afterwards, cool off in one of 3 pools. Choose the women's or men's rooftop retreat for privacy, or the shared pool at podium level surrounded by landscaped gardens and play areas for the little ones. Whether you prefer a sunrise stretch, an energizing training session, or a family swim, every moment is designed around your well-being. From in-room dining to valet parking, everything's taken care of. Enjoy gourmet flavors delivered right to your door, and let housekeeping handle the rest. Your daily routine? Effortless. Need something more? A dedicated concierge is always on hand. Or step out to explore on-site restaurants and unwind on sunset terraces. With private terrace pools in select residences and thoughtful services always at hand, wellness and comfort come together so you can focus on what truly matters. Embracing life by the sea.